Today I thought about giving you a behind the scenes. So this is where I live. No, not really big, because some people might want to know how Pngtuber works. We have me here. I have 4 different images that I consist of. There is closed mouth, open eyes. Open mouth, open eyes, closed mouth, closed eyes, and closed eyes, open mouth. So I can open and close my mouth, as well as blink. These things, they make me move differently. So you see I have 2 sets here. If we go to this one, I'm more shaky. And if you see, this picture up here, that's different. So these pictures, they are different ways that I can move, and they're triggered by sound. All of this is triggered by sound. You can see here how the delay and sensitivity, so how much noise do I need to make for it to be picked up. But yeah, if I press this, see, I move differently. I move differently. I move differently. I move differently. Yeah, that's how it works. See? So, for those of you who... okay, I just need... there. See? So that's how that works. I can also set hotkeys. So, you can see this one is page up on the keyboard, and this one is page down on the keyboard. So they can easily switch. Most people have, like, more different expressions, not just a different shake amounts, but I don't have that. So that's how it looks for me. This application is called vtubing mini, and it's a very simple thing to use. So for anyone who is wondering how on earth do I become Pngtuber, here's how simple it is. And if you're wondering why this whole screen isn't usually seen, it's basically transparency. Wow, words today. Transparency. So you see, it's clear gray, and you can have a setting that makes gray transparent, and then boom, it's a green screen, but a gray screen. You can change the color of the screen as well. If you have a character with a lot of gray, you don't want a gray background. You know? So that's very simply how it works. I hope some of you find this interesting. See you another time.